push this car that much because it is 82 and it's very hot out, so I don't want anything to heat soak and then get ruined, which would ruin the turbos. So maybe do this real quick. Okay, there we go. There we go. Oh my god, it's a fucking G80 M3. Love it. Love it, brother. Love it. Hell yeah. That's sweet. Dude, I love this. This is so much fun. Horrible on gas, but you know what? Sometimes you just gotta live a little. I'm not even in Sport Plus, which is the crazy scary thing. Here's Sport Plus. I don't know what it's gonna do. I actually haven't done much with this because I'm actually quite scared. It's quite fast. Delayed on that one. Down a little bit more. God, man, that sounds so fucking good. I'm gonna get out of that because that's a little much. Hell yeah. Oh, the squeaky brakes. I think that's something to do with my calipers. It's definitely not the rotors and stuff, but I really don't know. So again, I'm not really pushing this car. I don't really want to like ruin things. But God, it sounds so good with the Stage 2 too. Cool thing is, N55 2015, F chassis and G chassis, you can go Stage 2 without an intercooler. Fantastic, love that. Obviously, if you there's a thing where you can go Stage 2 Plus, which is for my intercooler wanted there, and then after that, you have to go Stage 2 high pressure fuel pump, and those high pressure fuel pumps are like a couple grand, so I'm never going that route. That's not yet. God, those brakes, man. Big yikes. This car's just phenomenal. Like, it's genuinely such a good car. I don't want to be manual, honestly, dude. Manual is kind of scary, bro. It's like, yeah. You're doing a little UE too. God, did I hit 0 to 60? It's like 3 seconds. Shit you not. It's fucking fast. And I didn't even floor it. That was simply 3/4 throttle. I'm gonna get out of Sport Plus. I really don't want to like kill my car right now. Yeah, now it's 84. If it was 80 or something, like 82, 86. I don't even know what I said beforehand. A Mercedes AMG does not want to put the license plate on the back of his car to not ruin paint. That makes no sense. Or he just doesn't have screws. I don't know. That guy shows this AMG. What's up? Look at him. Bye-bye, Mercedes. He saw BMW in his rearview mirror and said goodbye. I love this thing, man. It's just so nice. If you guys ever get a chance to get an F or G chassis, just tune it. You got a B58 Supra, probably Gen 1 I assume, fully stock, I know that. I got a BMW behind me actually. I think this might be, it's definitely an F chassis, it might be an F. Oh, it's an M car of some sort, that's for sure. I love it. I love it. Colorado N50X, dude. That's a straight pipe 335i, I think. God, I hate doing that. It's just not me. Not me at all. Such a sick car, though. For real, for real. I'm gonna try and run up with him. He's got slicks on the front, which is a little weird to not have slicks on the back. Looks like his wheelbase is actually wider in the front. I actually think we have literally the exact same taillights, which is kind of crazy. Sick car though, for real. I'm not gonna race. We do not do that. That is illegal. I love it. Such a good car, man. To find Beamer people, love it. Here's the thing about the difference between me and him. He's got all like the gloss black. I got carbon fiber shit. Now that's A series is trying to. He might be single turbo then. Or like, oh, his lights flicker. I love that. Sick.